Run of Kutch, Gujarat. ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा.
आपने कच्छ नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा.
The Great Run of Kutch is actually a salt marsh in the Thar Desert in Kutch district, Gujarat, India. During a particular season, the whole desert gets converted into the crystal form of salt, which when touched is salt, but when you see from a distance, it looks like the white sand, which makes it one of the most beautiful destinations to visit in India. It is about 7,500 kilometers square in the area, and hence it is one of the largest salt desert in the world. The best time to visit Run of Kutch is in winters at the time of Ran Utsav. But usually it starts from the first week of November till the last week of February. We visited here in the month of February and luckily on a full moon day. Hence, could not only experience the sunrise, the sunset, but also the moon of the Poonam night, where you not only see the full moon but also experience the shining and the dazzling white sand in the night. If you are planning to visit Run of Kutch, the two best accommodations that you can opt for is the White Run Resort and the Tent City. Both of them are situated in Dhordo and is managed by Gujarat Tourism, making it more secure and reliable. And both of them provide waiting services near the Bhuj railway station, which makes it more comfortable and easily accessible. We opted for the White Run Resort, which was more affordable than the Tent City, and booked that at a cost of 9,000 rupees for a bhunga in their 2 days and 1 night package. So this is the room tour of the bhunga that we stayed in. As we heard, nights were cold here. We went for a bhunga. However, tents are more affordable and you can surely opt for it if you are not visiting here during December and January. Now let me talk about what this package includes and the facilities they provide. So it provides you 2 ways transport from Bhuj to Dhordo, which is about 80 kilometers and 2 hours journey in an AC bus. Don't miss that, otherwise you are going to arrange your own transport to reach Dhordo. In the morning when you board the bus, they are going to provide you with breakfast and drinking water. Once you reach here, they are going to serve you lunch in between 12:30 till 2 p.m. The food food was delicious here and was catered and served by the Hotel Radisson. After lunch, you can rest for a while and then they are going to serve you high tea in between 4:30 till 5 pm. And at 5 pm it is time wherein they provide you bus facility to visit the White Run. There is going to be a small walk from the bus stop till the White Run, which you can also travel by walking or through the camel rides. You can enjoy the evening and watch the captivating sunset in the White Run, after which they are going to pick you up at around 7:30 pm. And as it was a full moon day, we could already see the moon there. Once you return from White Run, it is already time for your dinner. They serve you dinner in between 8 pm till 9:30 pm. The dinner was again amazing there, but I could not record the same. Few people came in this luxurious bikes to the resort, which we could not stop recording. After dinner, it was time for the cultural activities to begin. So now we are here where we have our cultural function. So I will show you around and let's go. In the White Run Resort, the cultural activities were performed where the tent houses were located.
घड़ा जिसे ब्रह्मांड का प्रतीक समझा जाता है और इस मिट्टी के घड़े में एक दिया रखा जाता है जो मां दुर्गा की आराधना का एक दिव्य शक्ति का प्रतीक है जो
After the cultural activities, if you have visited in a full moon day, they will also take you to the White Run again nearly around 11:30 to witness the full moon at midnight for an hour. And for this reason, they sometimes also charge you extra on a full moon night. This was the view of the full moon at night, but of course you can't see anything from the camera. Then the next day around 6:30 am, they also bring you to this White Run for witnessing the sunrise. Around 7:30 am till 9 am is their breakfast time. And 9:30 am is the checkout time for those who stay here for 2 days and 1 night. This package also includes sightseeing in Bhuj, and once we reached Bhuj, we also visited Kutch Museum and Swami Narayan Temple. If you visit Bhuj, I would highly recommend to visit this Kutch Museum. It is beautiful, it is huge, and there is a lot of things that you can see and learn from here.
ये हीरालाल पार्क आशापुरा कंपनी का है।
अच्छा, और ये कब से बना है?
ये भूकंप पीछे बनाया है।
As camera was not allowed, I could not record a lot of things that I saw here, but if you are visiting this place, I can make sure that you will learn a lot of things about our Indian Republic and our Indian Constitution from here. Swami Narayan Temple is also a very beautiful temple here. Of the whole trip in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. In case you have missed any part of the trip, the links are available in the description. Do check them out. So that's all from my end, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that small bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So stay tuned guys for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.